Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something super cool in the IT industry, the roles and responsibilities of a solutions architect. If you're not familiar with what a solutions architect does, let me break it down for you. A solutions architect is a person who plans and designs how different technology systems will work together. They make sure that all the systems work well with each other, so that a business can run smoothly. Think of it like building a puzzle. The solutions architect is the one who puts all the pieces together to create a complete picture. They're the ones who make sure everything fits together just right. So, to understand the major responsibilities of a solutions architect, let's imagine you work for a pizza company called Cheesy Delight Incorporated as a solutions architect. One of your main responsibilities is to build a website for the company. You'll need to communicate with the business owners, marketing team, and other stakeholders to understand their needs and requirements for the website. For example, the marketing team might tell you that they need a new online ordering system to sell their delicious pizzas. Another important responsibility of a solutions architect is to analyze the pizza company's needs in terms of website features. So, you're like the pizza analyst. You need to understand what kind of website features are needed. For example, the business owners might want a website that showcases their latest pizza offerings and allows customers to customize and order pizzas online. Once you have a good understanding of the pizza company's needs, you need to define non-functional requirements. Think of it like the secret recipe. These are the requirements related to how the website will perform, rather than what it will do. For example, let's say the pizza company wants their website to handle lots of traffic without crashing. We'll make sure the website can handle 10,000 hungry pizza lovers browsing the site at once without any hiccups. That's like having a pizza recipe that can feed a whole party without running out of dough. But wait, there's more. We also want to make sure the website is secure and protected from any sneaky hackers who might try to steal sensitive information. We'll add some extra security measures to the website, like a digital lock and key, to keep it safe and sound. That's like adding a lock to your pizza recipe book to keep it safe from any food thieves. We also want to make sure the website is always available for pizza lovers to access, no matter what. So we'll create a backup plan to make sure the website stays up and running, even if something unexpected happens. That's like having a backup pizza oven in case the main one breaks down. But, as much as we love pizza, we need to be mindful of constraints like time, cost, compliance and scope. For example, the pizza company might have a tight deadline for launching the new website or a limited budget to work with. As a solutions architect, you also get to be the pizza chef. You're responsible for technology selection, which means that you need to evaluate different technologies and choose the ones that are best suited for the pizza company's needs. For example, you might need to choose a content management system that can integrate with the pizza company's existing systems. Another important responsibility is to be the pizza taster. You need to build prototypes and test them to make sure that they work as expected. For example, you might build a prototype of the new online ordering system to test its functionality and usability. Once you have a good understanding of the pizza company's needs and have chosen the right technologies, it's time to design and deliver the solution. This means that you need to create a detailed design for the new website and work with the development team to build and launch it. You're like the pizza artist. Finally, as a solutions architect, you're responsible for solution scaling and technology enthusiasm. You're like the pizza enthusiast. This means that you need to ensure that the pizza company's new website can scale to meet future needs and that you're keeping up to date with the latest pizza trends and technologies. This may involve conducting user surveys, analyzing customer feedback, and testing new features and functionality. By staying focused on both technical performance and customer satisfaction, you help the pizza company stay ahead of the competition and achieve long-term success. So, that's a quick overview of the roles and responsibilities of a solutions architect in the IT industry. It's a challenging but exciting job that requires a lot of different skills and responsibilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos like this.